physical quantity is measured in Tesla? Correct answer is option B. Magnetic flux density. Which law explains the phenomenon of the conservation of energy? Correct answer is option D. Law of conservation of energy. Which of the following has the highest refractive index? Correct answer is option C. Diamond has highest refractive index. If a body is moving with constant speed in a circular path, what remains constant? Correct answer is option C. Speed remains constant. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Correct answer is option B. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Which of the following has maximum inertia? Correct answer is option B. Among these, a cricket ball has maximum inertia. Acceleration due to gravity is maximum at. Correct answer is option A. At poles, acceleration due to gravity is maximum. Which color of light has the shortest wavelength? Correct answer is option C. Violet color has the shortest wavelength. Which of the following is used to convert solar energy into electricity? Correct answer is option C. Solar panel. What does a galvanometer measure? Correct answer is option B. Galvanometer measures current. Which of the following laws is related to buoyancy? Correct answer is option B. Archimedes' principle. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Correct answer is option C. The ability of a body to resist acceleration is called. Correct answer is option C. Inertia. The force that opposes the motion of a body is called. Correct answer is option B. Friction force opposes the motion of the body. Which device converts chemical energy into electrical energy? Correct answer is option C. Battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water? Correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. Which element is used for the disinfection of drinking water? Correct answer is option C. Chlorine. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Correct answer is option D. Silver is best conductor of electricity. What is the common name of calcium hydroxide? Correct answer is option C. Slaked lime. Which of the following is an allotrope of carbon? Correct answer is option A. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Which metal reacts with water to produce hydrogen gas? Correct answer is option C. Sodium. Which one is used as a moderator in nuclear reactor? Correct answer is option A. Heavy water is used as a moderator in nuclear reactor. The number of neutrons in an atom is equal to. Correct answer is option B. Mass number, negative atomic number. Which element is essential for the formation of chlorophyll in plants? Correct answer is option B. Magnesium. The most reactive metal is. Correct answer is option C. Potassium. Which compound is used for making disinfectants and bleaching powder? Correct answer is option D. Calcium hypochlorite. Which chemical is used in fire extinguisher? Correct answer is option C. Sodium bicarbonate. Which of the following is a non-metal that is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer is option C. Bromine. Which vitamin is produced in the human body by sunlight? Correct answer is option C. Vitamin D produced in the human body by sunlight. Which of the following elements is found in proteins? Correct answer is option A. Nitrogen. Which organ in the human body is responsible for purifying blood? Correct answer is option C. Kidney is responsible for purifying blood. Which part of the brain controls balance and posture? Correct answer is option B. Cerebellum controls balance and posture. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of iodine? Correct answer is option C. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Correct answer is option A. Oxygen. Which organ in the humans is known as the master gland? Correct answer is option C. Pituitary gland is known as master gland. Which blood cells help in clotting of blood? Correct answer is option C. Platelets help in clotting of blood. Which disease is caused by the Plasmodium parasite? Correct answer is option B. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite. Which part of the human brain controls involuntary actions like heartbeat and breathing? Correct answer is option B. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C? Correct answer is option B. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Which of the following is not a component of blood? Correct answer is option B. Neuron is not a component of blood. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals? Correct answer is option D. Root absorb water and minerals. Which of the following animals is cold-blooded? Correct answer is option C. Which of the following is a communicable disease? Correct answer is option D. Tuberculosis is a communicable disease. Which part of the flower is responsible for reproduction? Correct answer is option C. Stamen and carpel. Which of the following is an example of a unicellular organism? Correct answer is option A. Which disease is caused by a virus? Correct answer is option C. Polio is caused by a virus. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? Correct answer is option C, iris. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Correct answer is option A, femur is the largest bone in the human body. In humans, the number of chromosomes present in a somatic cell is. Correct answer is option B, 46 chromosome. Which process in plants is affected first by water scarcity? Correct answer is option C, photosynthesis.